Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, recently we have seen that mortgage delinquencies in Canada is increasing. More and more people are not able to afford homes. So that is why I thought of making a video where I can tell you something really practical information about buying and most importantly maintaining the home. Okay, because many people buy houses sometimes that is beyond their budget and capability by lending money through here and there, but what comes more important is how to sustain. Okay, so this is what I'm going to discuss in this video based on my approach that I have gone through throughout the years. Like, I have been owning a house for like more than 5 years now, so in Canada, so that's why I'm telling you this. So guys, first of all, many people, when they try to find out a mortgage, try to find out what they actually qualify or what they can afford and sustain, there are many other expenses that they don't consider. Okay, like suppose you calculate that, okay, $2,000 a month mortgage I can manage, but did you add property taxes? Did you add certain bills that you may or may not be paying while you're renting a house or an apartment? You might have purchased tenant insurance, but tenant insurance is usually very cheap compared to house insurance. When I was a tenant, I used to pay $13 a month. So that's very cheap, right? But as a house insurance, 900 something per year. So you can see around 900 is my current cost. So you can see that how many times it has gone up. Okay. And not only that, there are many other expenses that you don't plan but they come on your way. For example, like maybe in your apartment building, you might not be paying hydro, here you pay, right? You might not be paying for heating, here you pay. So those utility bills, that also you should consider, because ultimately you have to pay here and there and not only that, water cost. Apart from these utilities, still there are many expenses that you have to bear as a house owner, and you have to be ready for them. Last year my furnace broke down sometime in in the month of May or June sometime. Yeah, I had to get it replaced overnight, although it was expensive. My refrigerator, I had to get it repaired, that also I had to pay for it. My refrigerator filter, that I have to change every 3 months. Furnace filter, that you have to change. So there are many expenses that you don't count initially, but ultimately they fall on you. Second thing that is more important, I would say, is like what kind of mortgage you are taking. I don't know why people go for variable. Of course, they may have a very good reason, but for somebody like me who doesn't want to take any risk, I always prefer fixed. Because at least for a term, maybe 5 year, 3 year or whatever I take, I know that my rates are not gonna go up. So I know that at least mortgage portion, I'm gonna pay a fixed cost. When it's variable, it may fall in your favor. When the with Bank of Canada rates falling down, it may fall in your favor. But in case of any unexpected circumstances, it may go up and it may go way up, and that we are seeing now, right? A lot of people purchase at very low rate, and now when they try, they are seeing what's happening. Third thing I would always say, it may not be feasible for many, but try it whatever you can. Apart from your regular mortgage payments, if possible, at least do a tiny amount of prepayment. Some of you may laugh what I am saying, but honestly guys, it helps, because again, it depends upon the terms and condition of your mortgage too. But if you have from a big bank like me, big banks generally allow up to a certain percentage, like 15%. So I know 15% is huge. We are not going to make it straight away. But even if you do $100 a month extra of what you are doing, you can put that calculation on mortgage amortization calculator, and you can see that even doing that throughout your term, how much it's going to help you. First of all, it's going to reduce your amortization period significantly, because anything extra you pay goes towards your principal. So that's going to hit your principal right away. It's like interest free you are returning. And once like $100 off this month, That means interest of $100 for next whatever 25, 15, whatever is off. Same time, like you do it's gonna be a small hit, but the impact is gonna be high. That you can observe for sure. It really helps. Again, check with your mortgage provider what is the minimum amount they allow and how much you can make maximum, and based on that find out a calculation based on your affordability too, and that's going to help you a lot. Okay, and every month have certain amount saved for unexpected repairs. If I tell you the repairs this year itself I have done, one is like my backyard door got broken. My tenant said, but it's one day reported to me, I had to get it fixed. Luckily I managed to do it myself in $30. Otherwise Home Depot guys, they wanted $250. Yeah, not Home Depot's like direct employees, but yeah, I applied through Home Depot site and it went to their contractors, subcontractors, or like handyman, whatever you say. They contacted me and the quote I got of like $250. Wow. So that did not, but when I did it myself I managed to fix it by $30 thanks to some people I know who really helped me. Yeah, so this is again a very important topic. As a homeowner, try to like learn some basic house repairing things, because for everything if you call a handyman or repair guy, it's gonna make your life very difficult, very expensive. Okay, because after moving to this house, of course there are certain things that you cannot do yourself. For example, if your furnace broke down, that is not something you can do, right? You need a licensed HVAC guy to do it for you. So similarly, something related to electricity, you need a licensed electrician. But minor things like for me, like a backyard door got broken, that I managed to fix myself. The lock on my hallway door got broken, that also I managed to fix myself. There are so many things I could do myself. Okay, my curtains broke, that I fixed. Some other things also were broken, that I managed to fix myself. That's so learn some basic things at least. Otherwise anything you do, 200, 250 straight away, no solution. Even I painted my backyard boundary. Had I hired a painter, I would have lost like I would have paid $1,000 around straight away. But I purchased like paint, so around $80 I finished everything. So these things you should always keep in your mind, guys. And one more thing, some of you may find it like stupid, but if you try to save on utilities, that's gonna help you a lot. Like unnecessary electricity, unnecessary water, if you stop, that's overall gonna hit you in a very good way. Especially one more tip I'm sharing, which is related to the heating, and that helps. Sometimes you may find that at night time some of your rooms are very cold, or at least colder than what you expect, because like for example your hall is feeling hotter, and then your bedroom is feeling colder. So what you can do, like especially during winter when the windows are closed, you can stick a tape around the corners. That will help a lot, guys. In my case it helped a lot, and during summer when it comes, I'm gonna remove those tapes, simple cellutapes, and that's gonna help a lot. Okay, these things are really useful. And if you are having any heavy electric activity, like running your washer dryer, do it at off-peak hours as per the electricity plan you have, so that you're gonna pay less. Okay, follow these tips, guys. These tips really help you a lot. Okay, really it helps you a lot. So, and even driving habits and other things, anywhere you can save money, you have scope, do it. Like if you're wasting utilities, it's gonna hit you really hard. So this is what I wanted to tell you guys, and I have shared various tips and lot of information about this. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.